Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful Angular 18 Plus, Bootstrap 5, responsive, fully free, beautiful admin dashboard template. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. We see the beautiful admin dashboard template. Let me show you the version as well. Version is great 18.2.3, 18 plus as well. So friends, see sidebar, the content section, beautiful. See guys, yes, brilliant. Works well, all the things does perfectly. See the components, UI components as well. Brilliant. See friends. And the tables as well, the login page, great. Create an account page, back to admin, and icons, and the sample page as well. So guys, see the beautiful Angular 18 Plus, Bootstrap 5 responsive admin dashboard template. So friends, let me show you its responsive as well. So guys, it's fully responsive. See, just brilliant. Will work for all the devices as well. See, just brilliant. See my friends. And guys, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. Now, friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion, or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. It's my blog, therichpost.com. Here's the contact enterprise page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, and my WhatsApp number as well. So guys, feel free to contact me anytime. And guys, also a full-time freelancer, and if you will have any kind of work, then feel free to contact me as well. Also, you can hire me on hourly basis. So guys, please subscribe my channel and support me. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.